Hi guys! Word! Ulit! Hindi mo na pagpalis ko. 1, 2, 3, go. Word Chain Challenge! First word. House. 1, 2, 3. Tour.
Guide. Tour guide.
Tour guide.
Guide.
Lines.
Guidelines.
Guidelines.
Tama.
Line.
Lines.
Line, pwede din line.
One.
Line.
Judge.
Line man.
Judge.
Sige,
Judge. Ako ta.
Judgers?
Go, galing. 1, 2, 3. Ako na. Dahil na next vlog na lang. Aligong no. 1, 2, 3. Power. House. Patay ka. Ay, sorry. Power house.
Power. Interruption. Power interruption.
Wow. Interruption. Uy, anak. Grabe mo kayo sa interruption.
1.
Ano tama kaya interruption? Pwede mag-ranger.
Quick.
Go. Interruption.
The word is love.
Triangle.
Okay, kana. Triangle.
Square.
Ikaw muna. 1, 2, tagapos na. Ano yun, nakik?
Kick. Ball. Kickball.
Ball.
Handling.
Ball handle.
Ball nga! Ball handling.
Oh, sige, tama. Angling.
Handling skill. Handling skill.
Wala man.
Pwede.
Wala man sa skill na.
Skill na, skill.
Wala man handling sa stage nyo.
Igwa.
Handling skill.
Oo, wala man.
Igwa.
Skill mo.
1, 2, skill.
Skill. Skeletalist.
Kilili.
Skill.
Skill.
Hindi ko naisip yung skill nito. Mapapasa yun.
Skill.
Sige, sabi ko lang.
1.
2.
3.
Skill chairman yan.
Skill.
Skill chairman.
Wala.
Okay.
Punch.
Punch.
As in, bungad. Punching bag.
1, 2, 3. Pwede na nagtuloy sa pan.
Punch man.
Punch mo. Pwede.
Man.
Man.
Ah,
Man. Manpower. Manpower.
Powerhouse! Let's go! House tour! Yun na naman.
Running.
Man.
Man. Bawal na makulit ha.
Bay na sa to. Running man.
Man-made.
Man-made. Made.
Sus.
Made.
Made of honor. Maiden. Bobo.
Tree.
Planting.
Tree. Asin puno.
Planting na nga, tree planting.
Tree planting. Planting.
Planting seed. Tanga na.
Seed.
Sid and I are not a love story.